I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your nameplate in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Navigate to the Marvel Rivals home screen and then click the profile icon at the top of this screen. Your Marvel Rivals profile screen opens. Step 2. Click the icon associated with your current nameplate on this screen. The Customize screen is displayed. Step 3. Make sure Nameplate is selected in the Customize submenu. By default, you'll see all of the available nameplates in the game, but you won't be able to equip anything that has a padlock icon in the top right corner of it. If you want to make things easy and just see what you own, you can click to select Owned at the top of this menu. The list will be restricted to just show you which nameplates you own. Step 4. Click various nameplates to see a preview of them on the right side of the screen. Click Equip when you find a nameplate you want to use. That nameplate will be applied to your Marvel Rivals account immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.